everyone, thank you for joining me in today's video. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm a girl from a small town who loves painting, and I love to share my painting videos on the internet. So for this painting, I'm actually painting a movie scene from a movie titled Before Sunrise. I love that movie, but you'll see, like, as the video progresses, I actually changed the background from the original scene because I was having a hard time doing the original background from this photo, so I just changed it to city lights. Here you can see I'm using the Asaro head as a reference because I want to make sure that the values and the planes of the face are correct. I had a lot of fun painting this, although it took me like 2 weeks to actually finish this painting. I had a hard time painting the leather jacket. I don't usually paint a lot of clothings. Yeah, this was a bit challenging for me. As you can see here, I was already sketching the original background from the scene, but it was really hard for me to copy it, so I just decided to change it into this city lights view. Although I diverged from the original background, I loved how the background turned out. Like, these city lights are really pretty, and I think they all work together to make the painting look better. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what kind of oil painting videos you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more oil painting videos from me. So yeah, this is the finished painting. I also posted this on my Instagram. If you're interested, check it out and follow me.